Go jump, Scar. Jump. Yeah, good girl. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. She looks like she's doing an Irish jig. Good girl. I'm not making fun. Go. Come on. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah. It's too short for her. We need to make it higher. It does look like she's doing some intricate dance moves. Good girl, Scarlett. I think she's shocked herself. Scar. Scar. Good girl, darling. Aren't you clever? Yay! Good idea getting the Pilates mat underneath.